Okay, so we're going to be following this trail. We're going to be going by the relief sculpture and following this trail right here. Before we begin, there's a little pavilion up there. We're kind of up at the top, so there's another one that follows all these buildings in Taipa right here. There's a trail that goes down the hill as well, and you can also see some bridges. So let's get started. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let me just show you a little bit of what's around here first. This goes down, and then there is Taipa proper, a Trilho hotel right there. That's the university. There's City University of Macau. There's IFT, Institute of Fashion Technology. There's a bridge that goes all the way to the northern side of Macau over there. And but we're gonna follow the sunset. I can see the sunset straight ahead, so this could be kind of interesting. Over there is the skyline of Macau, and there's a bridge to Macau as well. There's 3 bridges that go from Taipa to Macau. Taipa is the island, the southern part of the city of Macau, and then the northern part is Macau proper. We just call it Macau and we call this Taipa, but of course they're both part of Macau. But when we're in Taipa, we just say, oh yeah, I'm gonna go to the Macau side. We're gonna go to Macau. It just means you're gonna cross that bridge. But yeah, there's 3 bridges. That goes to the north one, that goes to the middle part where the casinos are at on the Macau side. Cotai, Taipa has casinos too, of course. I don't know how long this is gonna be of a trail, but we'll just take it anyways and just see what happens. So yeah, these are what some of the trails look like. There's a lot of trails in Koloan, and then there's Taipa Grande and Taipa Pequena. Grande means big, so big Taipa. Pequena means little, so little Taipa. So we're on little Taipa, and we're just kind of hiking up above the skyline a little bit. And yeah, that's one of the beautiful things about living in kind of what traditionally would have been an island, right? Is that you have good topography. You have these hills and mountains and things like that, right? So you can get up in the views, get up and see some views and things like that. Looks like they got some overgrown stuff, so you can't see the view too well, but they do get a lot of fresh tree oxygen and stuff. Yeah, actually, this is my first time to be up on this trail. I've been on a few in Koloan and Taipa Grande, but never up here. So here we're going to be coming up upon a sculpture. There's some of the views. I think we're going to get some better views in a minute, so we'll just keep on walking. And let's see if we can see the sculpture. There's a bathroom here. That's good. Okay, we're gonna get some good views right here. Might get more views over there too, but we're gonna get the first views here. You can sit right there if you want. Probably for the bathroom attendants. But that's all reclaimed land. That's Macau Tower over there. That's the Governor de Nobre Nobre de Cavallo Bridge. It's also called the Middle Bridge. It's shaped like a dragon, so it's flat and it kind of goes up. Then you can come down and look right into the casinos. It's quite amazing if you take buses or walking. When you walk up that peak, it's like the dragon's tail or dragon's head, I guess. So now we open up into this big space, and the sculpture is on this side. Let's see if we can see some of it. And then that's the trail to keep walking. So let's head down a little bit, and then we'll see if we can see the sculpture. I think we're definitely going to see the view. There's a sculpture right there. So there you go. So this sculpture overlooks this whole thing right here. So you can see that's all universities area. Then this is the bridge. There's another bridge over there, and there's also a bridge to Hong Kong way in the distance. So there's 4 bridges total. Hong Kong Bridge, the the Friendship Bridge is that one right there, Middle Bridge, and then that bridge right there too. And then that in the middle is all reclaimed land, so they're going to put a bunch of buildings in that space. It's like our lights are coming on and our sun is going down, so we better get moving, eh? I just saw a light pop up in here too, so I kind of want to keep moving on this trail so we can see as much as we can before the sun actually goes down. Might get some good views of some okay. North Peak Pavilion. I guess we're heading to the 820 meters. It's at about a half mile, I guess. So we got about a half mile and then we're going to be at some children's playground, and we'll see what we can see over there. So we're going to walk away from the views and just get right into the trail park, and we'll just see what we see. I think we're going to be overlooking Ocean Gardens and parts of China in the near future, but I haven't hiked this trail to know 100%. And I think also we're going to be seeing some of the sunset, so that could be interesting as well. Might even catch a little bit of the darkness. But my goal for this particular video is to, there we go, there's the reclaimed land part right there. That scaffolding, that green one is scaffolding. You can see some of the casinos like Grand Lisboa. I don't want to go longer than, I want to go between 6 to 8 minutes, and we're already at 6 minutes right now, so we'll see how far we can go. But I think we're going to be overlooking the bridge and Ocean Gardens. There's one giant tall building straight ahead. That's going to be overlooking us. Dang. It's impressive. How do you like to be in a mountain? How do you like to be in a building so tall that it dwarfs a mountain that already has good views? So let's see, we're at 6 minutes right now. And we're going to be kind of following this along. Wait, I just see there's a giant ridge. There's a giant like moat separates these giant apartments from the mountainside right there. It's interesting. I guess that's good, because then if rocks fall down, it doesn't affect where the kids are playing, the basketball courts and such for that building. Okay, we'll just go a little bit further. I'll try to catch one last interesting thing I can, and then we'll end this video, and then we'll probably start a new one. And my goal is not to go longer than 8 minutes, and also keep you informed about Macau. So just so you know, we're kind of like in the middle of Macau. We're in the northern part of Taipa, and Taipa is the southern part of Macau. So that kind of puts us in the middle. Look at those buildings. These apartments are just massive. I think I would be nervous to be... Oh, I can see it through some of those apartments too. So that means they have views on both sides. I was thinking how tragic that would be if you only had a view to one side, but both sides, like, Lord. So, okay. Then Ocean Gardens is over there. I think we got some hiking to do. So I think this is maybe our one interesting stop thing that we're gonna focus on. And that'll be what we'll conclude for this video right here. And I'll probably walk later, find another interesting thing, and then start the next video. So there you go. Hope you like that one.